style swim bait on that one. Woo! He don't even have any eyeballs on him left on this swim bait. Look at it, no eyeballs. No eyeballs on him. Woo! Just throw it back. See ya.
Woo!
Scotty got the hot cast, baby.
I pulled him smack dab out of the water when I set that hook.
That's right. They're hitting close to the bank.
Yeah, they ain't too far off the bank. Another nice little one. They're squirmy, fellas. Back we go. We got a smallmouth that time, guys. Got us a smallmouth that time. He smoked it. Nice little smallie. He liked that Z-Man swim bait too.
Z-Man's hot. Oh, Skippy? What is it? Skippy. Oh.
Anthony J was skipping all day.
Oh.
Got another feisty one. Another feisty one. Guys, I don't know how many that is today. We caught several. All been on the Z-Man swim bait. We're tearing them up on the Cumberland River. Here we go. Just in case you're wondering, that's Anthony J all day. And I wanted to try out this rod and reel that I got from Walmart. See Ozark Trail. I got it on the clearance aisle, $13. That's a heck of a deal. For a bait caster, heck yeah.
Close.
I lost count after one.
That's a good thing. That was awesome.
Man, he smoked it. But I tell you,
That boy got like a 10-foot jump.
I know he flew out of the water. All right. That's just a crazy bite on this thing, guys. I don't know what to say. It's an awesome day. We're in a good spot. I'm trying to get this hook out, but I can't get a hold of the guy. I just barely had him hooked. Anyway, I just can't say enough about today. I am so glad that I made the day trip down here to hang out with Anthony J all day. Make sure you check him out. He's on YouTube. This fishing has been phenomenal. I see one more jump on there really quick. Pure aggression. Can't say anything else. Most of these guys are about the same size. We did hit that with that big one earlier. Quick release. There he goes. Another smallie. Another smallie. Woo! I don't do that as good as Anthony J all day. He's cute. Definitely a cute little guy. Alright guys, we're going to get one last cast in here. So I'd like to thank you all for watching your Fun Fishing Adventures YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, all that good stuff, and check out these videos up in the corner. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching your Fun Fishing Adventures YouTube channel.